It swallowed 3 boulders.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Yeah.
Open it up, open it up.
Okay, so everybody may have noticed the Blue's been out of service for a little while. He's been on the lift, very lonely, very sad. We got the transmission welded up and fixed. That's all good to go. Started as a simple starter issue. We called up our friends over at Offroad Design. Thank you, Steven.
Oh.
Look at that. You see how many holes there is?
Yeah.
The old shifter rooter. Instructions. We won't be needing those.
The trifecta.
So what we're doing is we're putting a doubler in Blue. So we got the factory 203 that came out of it. So this is where the planetary is. That's what gives you the reduction. This is the 4-wheel drive part you don't need. So we're gonna unbolt that and take that off. Then,
Yeah.
that goes on the back of there. And then this goes to a figure 8 205.
Ha ha ha.
So there it is, machined out for the bigger bearing. We have a 205 that's out back that has all the bits and pieces on the insides, except for the 32 spline output or input, which is over there. So we just have to swap everything into this case since it's machined. Then that bolts onto the back of there, and the rear drive line will fit right in. This is everything to give Blue the lower gears that she desperately needs when she's out working. Keep that Turbo 400 alive slightly longer. Slightly.
Yeah.
Okay, so here we are on our super clean workbench. There's nothing but the finest for us. So we got the 203 here. I took it apart, and this right here is our new bits that are going to replace this bits. All that does is shorten up the output shaft for the 203. So now right here, this bearing, you can see the inner diameter is way smaller and the outer diameter is smaller. So what we have is the new case. It's been bored out to this bigger size right there, and then that holds this bigger shaft. That's how you get the strength. It's going from this 10 spline small shaft to a 32 spline bigger shaft. So we got to swap all the internals from this case into our new machine case that fits the bigger bearing. Okay, now these are the needle bearings. Like they have such close tolerances, there's nothing to hold them in place but themselves. So you got to pack grease in there, stick them in.
Look what came in today. Shift rails. Gives you an option of high in the front and low in the front, then vice versa in the rear. Allows you to do front dig. Now we can put the transfer case back together, mount it up to the 400, then mount this to that. We'll get her going again. Got the new shift rails in. There's neutral. There's low. Nope, that's low.
I'm helping.
He's helping.
You see that big lift there? That was, it almost got it all the way up there.
So this is it's technically a 408.
408.
Yeah. 203, 205,
Oh, okay.
408.
Or maybe it's just the turbo 808.
It's an MP turbo.
NP
808.
turbo 808.
All right, look at all them little wiggly sticks.
All that work for 3 sticks. to have in the cab, to have that ability. Imagine trying to do that while that transmission's in the truck.
It would be super fun.
Is it?
Mike's done it.
I was gonna say, it seems like
Yeah, it's a nightmare, especially when you've already bent the bracket when you didn't disconnect your shifters to remove them.
this is like super cool. Like when I first started wheeling, driving, doing anything, I had an old Dodge pickup that had a 203 in it, and it was horrible. The chain was popping and clanging all the time, and I wanted to do a doubler, but it was so expensive and for a high school kid, and I couldn't afford one, so I didn't get one, but I've always wanted one, and now I get one. So I apologize if we botched assembling this in any way. Offroad Design. I'm sorry.
Steve Watson's
Yeah.
head's just exploding right now.
We didn't mean to do anything that you may have seen us do that wasn't supposed to be done. We're sorry. That's it?
That's it. Pretty sure this one goes to there.
Right. Yeah, because you don't want to cross your shafts.
Well, I mean, I'm helping.
I'm very scared to call it that, but thank you for your help.
Is there any way I could be of more assistance?
Wow. Captain Deduction strikes again.
See? Not always wrong.
I never said that. You were
No, that's not true.
It's not. You said it, not me.
Is Rory?
Muddy out here.
Somebody found some.
There they are.
Right here.
Oh, look at there.
Yeah, if you go to the lowest possible point, you're gonna find mud.
So what happened?
Just kind of out joyriding.
Yeah.
Came down and
Found this spot.
found this spot and tried to dig myself out, but
Ooh, look at that. That is some gnarly looking
found some
mud.
clay.
Wow. Yeah, that looks bad.
Started throwing rocks and it just kept going. And I was like, yeah, I'm done.
I get it.
Call the trucks.
Here we go.
We got this
Oh, hey, that looks nice. Who makes that?
Brennan's garage.
Nice.
I got a hitch. Want it?
Oh, we got it. You see that?
What's that?
Watch Sean walk.
Oh yeah.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that is a hidden obstacle there.
It swallowed 3 boulders.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is that's a sticky situation there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Couple zip ties, she'll be all right.
Yeah. Cosmetic.
Sean, what'd you do? There we go. Yeah, that's good.
There it is. Hey, look, there's an arch.
Hey. That looks interesting.
Yeah. Very curious. It's an underpass for the cattle to get to the other watery spot.
The cattle are getting pretty uptown, you know. They got underpasses, overpasses. They're figuring it out. Next thing you know, they're gonna have a McDonald's and a Maverick.
Front wheel. Yeah. Oh, hey, lost something. Hang on. Hold up. Okay.
Back on the doubler high,
Yes.
so back on everything is high.
Yep. And forward is low.
Okay. The doubler won't stay in low. See?
Yeah, the boot's pulling it back.
Yeah. That's
High.
in gear. Yeah, that's high.
Neutral.
So it just doesn't have the... So maybe we need to adjust it back so that it's not all the way forward, so that it'd be right there in low.
Okay.
Neutral.
That seems way easier than she would have had to work at it before.
Right? That was before.
Right.
Bless you. Alrighty, we're heading up to fencing things, driving Blue. Blue has been in the shop for about a month. We're going to test out the new doubler. The truck's going to start growing up here in the next month or so. So let's get it back to working and let's go check out this truck.
Yeah.
Just like that. He's out. Wow, what's real? Almost died. See you guys later.
Gotcha. I see what you did there.
You had it. All them maths.
You're so smart. Pretty sure this one goes to there.
Right. Yeah, because you don't want to cross your shafts.
Well, I mean, definitely don't want to cross the streams.
Thank you for your help.
I'm helping.
I'm very scared to call it that, but thank you for your help.